When it comes to roofing projects, whether for your home or business, finding a reliable and experienced contractor is crucial. In Warren, Michigan, roofing companies like My Quality Construction specialize in handling both residential and commercial roof projects, providing homeowners and business owners alike with high-quality, durable roofing solutions. Understanding how these roofing professionals manage both types of projects can help you make informed decisions about your roof's care and ensure that the project is executed smoothly and efficiently. In this article, we will explore how roofing companies in Warren expertly manage residential and commercial roof projects, covering everything from initial consultation to project completion. Let's take a closer look at the advantages of working with a skilled roofing company for your next project. Expertise in both residential and commercial roofing. One of the key reasons roofing company Warren is the right choice for residential and commercial roof projects is their broad expertise and experience in both sectors. Although residential and commercial roofs may appear similar, they often require different techniques, materials, and design considerations. Residential roofing. Residential roofs tend to have sloped designs with materials like asphalt shingles, wood shakes, or slate. Roofing companies in Warren specialize in understanding the specific needs of homeowners and ensuring the roof not only provides protection but also adds to the overall aesthetics and value of the property. Whether you're looking to replace an aging roof or repair damage caused by a storm, professionals know how to handle the job with precision and care. Commercial roofing. Commercial roofs, on the other hand, often feature flat or low-slope designs. The materials and techniques used for commercial roofs may differ from residential ones, with TPO, thermoplastic olefin, EPDM, ethylene propylene diene monomer, or modified bitumen often being the preferred options. Commercial buildings require durable, low-maintenance, and cost-effective roofing solutions that can handle the larger scale and different challenges of commercial spaces. A reputable roofing company in Warren has the expertise to install and repair commercial roofs with these materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. By hiring a roofing company that specializes in both residential and commercial roofing, you get the best of both worlds: tailored solutions for your home and the capacity to handle the unique needs of your business property. Customized solutions for different roofing needs. Another advantage of working with roofing companies in Warren is their ability to provide customized solutions based on the type of roof you need. Residential roofs. For homes, roofers focus on materials that not only protect the structure but also complement the design and aesthetic of the house. You might choose materials like asphalt shingles for cost-effectiveness or metal roofing for its durability and energy efficiency. Depending on your priorities, whether it's curb appeal, longevity, or energy savings, roofing companies offer a variety of options tailored to meet your specific needs. Commercial roofs. Commercial roofs often prioritize durability, low maintenance, and energy efficiency. Flat roofs, for example, require specialized systems to ensure proper drainage and long-term protection from weather elements. In addition to the choice of materials, the commercial roofing project must also take into account factors like the weight load, insulation requirements, and any additional features like rooftop equipment or HVAC systems. By offering both residential and commercial roofing solutions, roofing companies in Warren provide tailored services that ensure your roof is both functional and visually appealing. Comprehensive roofing services. One of the main reasons homeowners and business owners choose roofing company Warren is their ability to handle the entire roofing process, from consultation to completion. A roofing company that specializes in both residential and commercial projects typically provides comprehensive services that cover all aspects of the roofing project. Free inspections and estimates. Before any project begins, a roofing company will conduct a thorough inspection of your roof to assess its condition and determine the extent of the work required. Whether it's a simple repair, a full replacement, or maintenance, a detailed estimate is provided to help you make an informed decision. Roof installation and replacement. The roof installation or replacement process includes removing old materials, preparing the surface, and installing new roofing systems using the most appropriate materials for the type of building. Repairs and maintenance. Roofing companies also offer repair services to address issues like leaks, storm damage, or worn-out shingles. Additionally, they provide roof maintenance to ensure that your roof remains in excellent condition, which can prolong its lifespan and reduce the risk of costly repairs in the future. Emergency services. Roof damage can occur unexpectedly, and roofing companies in Warren understand the urgency of addressing these issues quickly. Many offer emergency roofing services, especially for commercial properties, to minimize damage and keep your property protected. Timely project completion. Whether it's a residential roof replacement or a large commercial roofing project, timely project completion is essential. Homeowners and business owners alike need their roofs installed or repaired as quickly as possible to avoid disruptions to their daily routines. Residential projects. A typical residential roof replacement may take only a few days, depending on the size and complexity of the roof. Roofing companies in Warren have the necessary staff, equipment, and expertise to complete residential projects efficiently, ensuring minimal disruption to your home life. Commercial projects. Commercial roof installations or repairs may take longer due to the size and complexity of the building. Roofing companies specializing in both residential and commercial projects are equipped to handle larger-scale jobs without sacrificing quality, allowing businesses to stay operational with minimal downtime. By selecting a roofing company in Warren that can handle both residential and commercial projects, you can count on them to complete your project in a timely manner while maintaining high-quality standards. Experienced and skilled contractors. Whether it's a residential roof repair or a commercial installation, you want to work with experienced and skilled contractors who can ensure that the job is done right the first time. Roofing companies in Warren have a team of experts with years of experience, ensuring that each project is completed to the highest standards. Training and certification. Professionals in the industry are trained and often certified by recognized roofing organizations, giving you confidence that your roofing project will meet safety, quality, and regulatory standards. Customer satisfaction. A reliable roofing company strives to exceed customer expectations by providing transparent communication, quality materials, and superior workmanship. Conclusion. Choosing the right roofing company in Warren is essential for ensuring that your residential or commercial roof project is handled efficiently, professionally, and to the highest standards. With expertise in both residential and commercial roofing, a trusted roofing company can offer customized solutions, comprehensive services, and timely project completion. By working with a roofing company that understands both types of roofing needs, you can enjoy a secure, durable, and attractive roof for your home or business.